I can't get enough of the conch salad. This is too good. I could eat like 10 pounds of this. Where's the best? What's up everyone, I hope you're all doing great. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere with my father Thomas Hoffman, and we're here in our hometown of Miami, Florida, and we're going to the South Florida Seafood Festival. This is a 2-day family-friendly celebration of South Florida's fresh and local seafood at Miami's historic Marine Stadium on Key Biscayne. The festival is happening right at the beginning of stone crab season here in Miami, so I'm very excited to eat some amazing stone crabs, but there will also be tons of vendors selling fresh lobster, pepper shrimp, conch, oysters, surf and turf, paella, you name it, they got it. I'm super excited to eat some stone crabs. It's been a while. How about you, Dad?
I'm super excited too. I can't wait to get there. Let's do it.
It's about a 20-minute drive from South Miami to Key Biscayne. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
$20 parking. It's scorching hot. And right here to the right we have the Marine Stadium, and it's been basically like abandoned for like 30 years I think so far.
Yeah, it's a pity. I mean, they should rebuild it.
So we got our bands VIP style with the swarm, like a swarm of bees.
What is a swarm?
That's a team who's organizing the event.
Oh, okay.
They organize events all across Miami.
Well, you enter here.
Okay, so there's an entrance. Then when you enter, in front of you have like 6 or 7 different vendors on 2 different sides, 2 different rows. On the left you have food trucks, and then right there's places selling beer. There's also some places for kids to play. There's restrooms in the back. There's a place called Battle of the Chefs in the very back. Nautical market, so a big market here, like a flea market.
Stone crabs.
Stone crabs is Casablanca.
Lobster, the entrance. I mean, there's a lot of stuff, really.
Our first stop today is the conch shell. They have conch salad, fried conch. We're gonna go see how they make some fried conch. Let's go inside.
Okay, let's eat.
All right, so we're starting with the conch from the conch shell. Danny, what he does is he puts the conch into like some wet sauce, secret sauce, then he puts it in batter, he fries it, then this comes out. We have some like red sauce on the side, we have some lime, and my father got us a land shark lager, island style lager, Margaritaville. Margaritaville Brewing. What is that?
Cheers.
Little slight.
Which is good.
All right, so let's do this first.
Let's do this. Go. I'm hungry.
All right, let's do it. Red sauce.
Let's see.
Look at that conch. It's huge. You got a tiny one.
Conch of the year.
Mine's is huge.
Nice.
Not so chewy. Usually conch is really chewy. This one's very soft. It's crunchy. I love the seasoning you put on top. And this sauce is like it's like a tomato hot sauce.
Oh, this one. Now I got a big one.
You eat conch a lot in the Bahamas. And then obviously here in Miami, we're right next door to the Bahamas, so.
In Venezuela, they used to eat it, but it's great.
I guess that's what he's saying, the conch salad, right?
Uh-huh.
Amazing.
Are we gonna eat it all?
Whole thing. But when you're eating seafood, really, it's like, nah, it's air. For me, it's air.
Concord.
I absolutely love it. That was a great appetizer. So what do you want to do next? Lobster?
I don't know.
So do a lobster.
Let's do lobster.
So the way it works here is that there's picnic tables, and then there's tables with umbrellas, and it's really first come, first serve. So what we did is we just came over here and grabbed a picnic table. It's a little hot, but it's awesome. This is South Florida. Okay guys, so we came here to the Mobsta Lobster, and Andy, the owner, made us 2 dishes. Right here we have the lobster mac and cheese, and here we have a New England style lobster roll. This looks incredible. I love this. What do you want to try first? Do we do
I'll
this
go
one first?
Yes.
So this one first. All right.
Let's see. Like
so we got chunks of lobster and mac and cheese. Woo! It's creamy. The lobster, the mac and cheese alone is amazing, mixed with the tender lobster. And right now it is lobster season, or just passed. So the lobster just got caught right here in the Atlantic Ocean.
I love lobster since I'm a kid. Always loved lobster.
It's incredible.
It's very good.
Messy but delicious.
Messy but delicious. I'm not gonna be able to finish it.
The Lobster Mobsta. I love this place. And this is a food truck. Seafood to die for. Lobster Mobsta food truck. I'm just gonna eat the chunks of lobster. You don't want lobster?
No, go ahead. You eat it.
Alright, so the next thing we got is the lobster roll. Look at this mega monster right here. Look at the huge chunks of lobster, and the roll, so the bread they use is like a New England style bread. They have this a lot like in Boston. So I'm just gonna take a big bite here.
Big bite, big bite.
The chunks of lobster are so incredibly tender, mixed with a super buttery bun. Just the bun alone.
I can't talk about it because it's so good. This is like a lobster bisque inside a super soft roll. I just love it. Better than lobster bisque, better than the lobster itself.
So the next place we're visiting is the Red Zeppelin. They make incredible lobster rolls, a little different from the other place, and they also make lobster salad. Bob, the owner, is telling me that his lobster roll is out of this world. I can't wait, and the salad looks incredible. I just see some people here eating it. Wow, let's do it. What we got from the Red Zeppelin is the Drizzled lobster roll. So I went with this because I didn't want to just get a regular lobster roll. I wanted to change it up, and this is what he says is the best. It's a lobster roll, so it's a bread, so a bun, lobster, and then lobster bisque on top, and they also give you coleslaw on the side. That's intense. It's a lot of lobster. It's like overkill of lobster, but it's so amazing. If you like lobster, this will be the lobster roll for you. Oh man, this is like insane.
1, 2, 3. Lots of mayo, but good. You have me on this special seafood diet, David.
Lobster bisque on top of a lobster roll. Oh my god, I just love lobster. That's the best part of being in Miami during lobster season. You get to eat this every day. Whew, so hot, it's okay. All right, so our next stop is Zuby Fish House, and here we're gonna try a conch salad ceviche, right? We're gonna also try bacalao fritters.
Yep.
And
crab cakes.
And crab cakes? Oh my god, okay.
Looks great.
How's that conch?
Super fresh.
Oh yeah, I love the crunch in here. So it's corn, yeah, so that's very like, you know, ceviches always come with corn. This is so amazing. That's my favorite thing of the day. Crab cake. Oh my god. So here we have a crab cake.
Excellent.
Yeah.
I love it with the French fries.
Yeah, the fritas. Crab cake con fritas, and it has like this little like purpley jam sauce. It's a Latin twist on a crab cake. Dad, you want more? I can't get enough of the conch salad. This is too good. I could eat like 10 pounds of this. What is it about? Croquetas de bacalao, so cod croquetas, or croquettes. So it has a special sauce. All the sauces are homemade. You take this like in one little pot. Ready? I love this place. Riquísimo. I don't know what's in that sauce, but I bet it's un poco de mayo, algo picante.
Ah, that's the secret sauce.
Oh yeah? It's a secret sauce, so he doesn't tell anybody.
Okay, I can't do one pop here. I love cod.
Alright guys, so the last place we're visiting is Casablanca Seafood Bar and Grill, and there we're gonna try some stone crabs and some oysters, I'm hoping. And wow, this monkey. What's up, right?
That's my son. His name is Georgie.
Oh, okay.
Sorry about that.
Alright, right here's Casablanca. Okay, so we came to Casablanca for two things, for the stone crabs and for the oysters. I don't know where these oysters are from exactly, but they look amazing. They're probably from New England or East Coast. They have this little red sauce, and because I don't have a fork, I'm just gonna slurp it, and that's the way I like to do it, right? So like that. I need a fork. Here we go. Oh, right there. So succulent.
Good. Oh, that's a lot, man.
It's a lot. You think it's overkill?
3.
Oh my god, it's so fresh.
Are they sweet or grimy
sweet.
or what? Sweet?
Real sweet.
All right. Okay. Slimy but good. Succulent, briny, sweet. All of the above.
Now this is the main event. Stone crabs. There's 3 sizes: medium, large, and jumbo. And these look like the medium. So I'm gonna pull this out. Also comes with a little sauce. It's a mustard sauce, okay? So you gotta break it right there. Pull out the claw. Oh my god, a little hard here. It really is like butter. The only problem is you gotta like try to pull it out of here. Oh, it's like stuck. The mustard sauce is perfect. It's amazing. They only have them in season certain times of the year, and right now is October, so it's in season. Oh my god. There's meat everywhere. Big chunks of meat. You just gotta get into it. But then the best part is the claw. Just break it. I'm having trouble here. Oh, there we go. See, big piece right there. Ah, right there.
Okay. The
Man.
time I got stone crab.
I know, right? Oh. Stone crab heaven. My god.
One of the top seafoods.
It is one of the top crabs for me. There's so much meat. If these are medium, they're pretty huge. I can't even imagine the jumbo. And I'm loving every second of eating these stone crabs. It's a fun little challenge. Getting in here. I won't lie though, after like 5 of these, I might just quit.
You have to. Yeah, 5 is enough. There's a little trick to this, and I'll show you. You just gotta pull the leg out, like the finger out.
There you go.
More of these in my life than you, because I'm older. I've been eating this stuff since I'm a teenager. It is the top of the seafood. I mean, I cannot think of anything else as far as seafood that's better than this. If you guys never tried stone crabs, you gotta try them. At least once in your lifetime.
Hey David, what's up? My name's Nicole. I work with Swarm and we're here today at South Florida Seafood Festival. So this is a celebration of all things South Florida, man. Like we have stone crab, we have fried conch, we have all things seafood, and it's really a celebration of family and what it is to be a South Floridian during stone crab season. So we have something for everyone today. We have 40 plus vendors, all vending different kinds of seafood. Our thrifter nautical market is actually vending a bunch of clothes, so you can get all your style on for today. Yeah, and we have live music. Check it out, Caribbean Beats. South Florida takes place every year. It kicks off stone crab season. I believe it's like the 3rd weekend of October, the 20th and 21st. So next time you find yourself in Miami, come visit us at South Florida Seafood Festival with Swarm.
Woo! We had an amazing time here at the South Florida Seafood Festival. This was epic. We had some stone crabs, we had lobster roll, lobster mac and cheese, what else? Conch fritters, conch ceviche, bacalao fritters.
What else?
Crab cakes.
More lobster.
Oysters.
More lobster.
Oh my god, too many good things.
It was really hot today.
It was really hot today, but this is South Florida. October in South Florida is like basically still summer in
Some
New
people
England.
are freezing somewhere else in the world.
I know. Next time you find yourself in Miami in October, head on over here to the South Florida Seafood Festival. It's the 3rd weekend in October. It basically kicks off stone crab season. Stone crabs were so freaking good. We should go back in there actually.
Let's do it.
Guys, if you love this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next seafood travel adventure. Peace.
Peace.